Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. Welcome back to our class. Today we are diving into chapter 3, ICT management structure. Now, I know when we hear the word structure, we might imagine something dry and technical. But trust me, this topic is more exciting than it sounds. Behind every successful organization today, whether it's a tech giant like Google or even our own university, there is a powerful ICT management team working behind the scenes to make everything run smoothly. So, let's explore who these people are, what they do, and how they all work together to support business success. Let's start at the top of the pyramid, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer. The CEO is the big picture thinker. They are responsible for the overall direction of the organization. And yes, they play a huge role in ICT as well. Even though the CEO may not be a tech expert, they set the vision for how technology supports the organization. For example, imagine the CEO of a university like University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah says, "We want to become the leader in online learning in Malaysia within 3 years." That statement sets everything into motion. Now, the CEO will approve the ICT budget to upgrade systems, push for digital transformation across departments, and oversee how ICT can support this strategic vision. Their job is to make sure that ICT is not just about buying laptops or fixing printers, but about empowering the whole organization to move forward. Next, we have the CIO, Chief Information Officer. If the CEO is the why, the CIO is the how. The CIO turns the CEO's vision into a reality. Let me give you an example. Let's say the CEO wants to implement a fully online final exam system. The CIO will choose the right software or platform, plan out the technical roadmap, make sure everything is secure, stable, and scalable. They are the strategic technology leader. The CIO also oversees the entire ICT infrastructure, servers, networks, software, and ensures everything runs smoothly. They need to manage cybersecurity threats, ensure staff are trained, and justify ICT spending with clear benefits. In short, the CIO is like a conductor leading the orchestra of ICT professionals to deliver results. Now, let's talk about the structure itself. Every organization needs to decide how ICT should be managed, and there are three main models. First, centralized structure. All ICT decisions come from a single central department. This works great for consistency and control. For the example, universities ICT center handles all system installations across faculties. Secondly, decentralized structure. Each department or unit has its own ICT team. More flexibility, but harder to standardize. The example, if faculty A uses Moodle and faculty B uses Google Classroom, and students will get confused. Third, hybrid structure. It combines the best of both worlds. There is a central team that sets standard, but departments have some freedom to choose tools within the rules. So, which one is the best? It depends on the size, culture, and goals of the organization. The key is balance. Now, who are the key people involved in this structure? Let's meet them. Besides the CIO, we have IT managers, system administrators, and help desk staffs. IT managers, they manage teams and operations. For example, making sure the LMS works properly during exam week. System administrators, these are the technical gurus who maintain servers, networks, and databases. When you log into your campus Wi Fi or check your exam results, these folks made it happen. Help desk staff, these are the real heroes. If you have ever called or emailed ICT support because you couldn't log in, yes, they are the ones helping you out patiently. Let me share a real world example. Let's say the university wants to launch a new online examination system. So, this is the hierarchy. The CEO approves the budget and sets the goal. The CIO leads the planning and selects the platform. IT managers coordinate teams for implementation. System admins set up the servers and secure the data. Helpdesk provides training and support for staff and students. This is what we call a team effort. Finally, let's touch on outsourcing. Sometimes organizations decide, hey, instead of doing this in house, let's hire someone else to do it. Outsourcing is when an organization gets ICT services from an external provider. This could be onshore, which is involved with local vendors. Example, a company from KL managing your LMS. Offshore, it involves with overseas team. Example, developers from India building your mobile apps, or cloud-based services like using Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. So, why we need outsource? First, it saves costs. Second, give access to experts. And thirdly, allows the internal team to focus on what matters most. But it's not without risk. Security issues, vendor dependency, and communication problems can happen. So, outsourcing must be managed carefully. Always set clear expectations, monitor performance, and make sure vendors follow the law like Malaysia's PDPA. So, to wrap up what we learned for today, number one, the CEO provides the vision. Number two, the CIO turns that vision into action. Third, the ICT team ensures daily operations and user support. And lastly, outsourcing can be a smart way to get extra help if it is done right. ICT management is not just about systems. It's about people, leadership, and collaboration. Keep this in mind as you prepare for your assignment and your future roles in the industry. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you in the next session. And as always, if you have any questions, don't be shy to reach out. Bye and take care.